Leif Kaboom. The heck? Yes, we're doing a second rap battles video. He just bad luck. He bad lol. Hey, did you see that? He's bad lol. This person's name is Rar. And I see why their name is Rar. Oh my god. What is this? I'm vying for this weird thing. This creature is disgusting and I love it. Cake Monkey's back! Cake Monkey's back!
Oh my god, I like it. If you're a rap battle, we're
Guys, what time are we going to go to bed today?
2
in the morning, these two are banging, slamming doors, running about and stuff. I can hear them. What time? 2 in the morning. I'm not lying, I come in at 2 in the morning. And they're just running about.
I like the way you said that.
Oh no, Cake Monkey spied me! I just said giggles at Cake Monkey. Run! Is he behind me?
It was about 8 o'clock in the morning I woke up. 8 o'clock in the morning, they were still awake?
No, I don't know what's going on to at the moment, but
They're nice and they're nice.
what I remember was this morning, I woke up and I could hear footsteps.
Oh my god,
outside.
that weird creature thing left.
Shout.
Walking up and down, walking up and down.
Where are you?
So it's not true today, no?
Rora's rapping, what do you
Check
mean?
everything.
Where are you?
Unplug the whole TV, take the whole TV with you, man.
I'll put the TV with me.
Yeah.
I'll probably wake up.
Where are you? Bro, you copied her lines.
Doritos. Doritos.
There you are.
Walking around, dancing. That's what you're probably going to see. There's no doubt you're probably going to see.
Dancing to Allier music.
Yeah. Oh my god, your bloody diarrhea pants are showing.
Ah.
You got bloody diarrhea.
No, close the door. Close the damn door.
Huh?
Close the door.
Why?
Close it.
Why?
Close it.
Oh, here it
Do
goes.
it.
Are you kidding me?
It's that way.
That actual... Close it!
Saying.
Look, it's on the curtain.
Stop!
Close. You're a woman. Close it. You're a woman.
Yes, you woman.
You're a woman. You're a
A
woman.
man and a woman.
You're a woman.
No, I am not. I have rapper hairstyle.
I'm gonna slap this boy.
I'm pro rapper, please, please, please. Can I have a pro rapper, please, please, please?
I'm gonna slap him.
Please, please, please. Can I have a pro rapper, please, please, please?
Admin. Cake Monkey as admin.
Cake Monkey's an
Cake Monkey has
admin.
premium. Cake Monkey has premium.
What do you mean? He has
Look
premium.
at the tablets. Cake Monkey, premium logo.
Wait.
She looking like that
No.
though? Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Exposed.
Did I just say caps?
Wait.
Yeah,
Leaderboards.
I'm gonna find a private server with no.
He is premium. What? The premium.
Go and find the private server.
Bruh, I'm out of here. Cake Monkey, you can die, noob. I will throw you in a ditch. I'm a glitch. He really thinks that's a good bar. He actually thinks that's a good bar. He really thinks that's a good bar, though.
Yeah. I found an Alpha Sally one.
Guys,
We
literally.
need to find an empty one.
Okay, what do we do for the video now?
Yeah, let's just find like a rap battle one.
Let's play Iron Man Simulator.
No, we're not going to get Anna saying that.
Finally.
It's a Spider-Man one.
Spider-Man Simulator.
Yeah, Spider-Man one. It's Spider-Man.
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 Sim. You close the door.
Yeah, we got really mad last time.
Bruh. You know it's not there anyway. Good. I'm keeping an eye on that door there.
What? It's on the screen. Oh, look, it's your son.
Is it?
Your son, look. Your son.
Where is it?
He's next to us. It's him.
That's my rap outfit.
Roblox, isn't it?
Yeah, it's one.
That's my rap outfit, thank you very much.
Somebody's playing Roblox.
Yeah, play Roblox with
Play
us.
Roblox. We can play Tekken.
Yeah, that might be.
I'm gonna play B Spider-Man.
Using the PS4 right now though. these two have been on it all day.
You said we could use it all day yesterday, mate.
Exactly. So you did use it all day. And I said I'll use it all night.
I'll give you guys the game of Tekken tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright.
How about Roblox today though? Are you on Spider-Man Simulator?
No, I'm on B Spider-Man by Musical Gamer 365.
Yeah, why didn't you play it then? You've got your own account and it looks exactly like you. Just join me, okay?
No, join me. I'm in B Spider-Man. Oh my god, this is so good.
Show me.
Oh yeah, this is the one that I played ages ago and was not able to find for a while. Okay, you have to go.
How do I?
I think it's E. Is it E? W. Oh yeah, that's. Alright. F. G.
Oh no. Shift.
Which one is shift?
Hassan,
You should be in the thingy.
what are you making noises for? What's going on?
I killed a fly.
Thank you.
Fly went into my room.
Oh, make sure you clean that properly, mate. It's germs
Yeah.
all over that thing.
Costumes, work in progress. You can be Venom, and that's it. Would you like to buy the suit? You can be have the Venom suit.
Alright.
That's pretty cool.
Let's look.
Stop!
Hassan, stop, man. Hassan,
Stop! That's disgusting.
put that in the boot.
Oh my god.
Wait, oh, I just need to click. Oh, I just need to click.
What do you mean you just need to click? Oh my god. Damn. Damn, son. Oh my god.
Whoa, look how sick this
This
is.
is so fun.
I know, right?
Swinging. Like a
What are you playing? Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called this game called B Spider-Man. Yeah, look.
Spider-Man, this is so sick.
This is the best Spider-Man game I've found on Roblox.
Like, some... Oh, good. Okay, I got stuff.
You guys are roadblockers. Roadblocks. Bonkers, that's right.
It's a really fun game. I'm stuck.
Dad doesn't know the joy of Roblox or Fortnite.
Yeah, whenever it's Fortnite, he's like, yeah, I'm gonna play it. And it's Tekken. Oh, Tekken, give me that controller now.
Me?
Yeah, you. That's what was told me.
Who said that? Who's?
Yeah.
Yeah, you literally, if it was Tekken, you'd be like, sure. But if it was Fortnite, you'd be like, nah, 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 no, sorry, Bob, nope, 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 nope.
Oh,
I can teach you. Do you know something called being taught something?
I'm pretty sure he does. he's a grown man, of course he does. Oh, if you quickly just press the button here, look, you can jump up with the webs.
Yeah, I'm resetting.
Saying,
Oh, never mind, I died.
where are you, Spiderman? 1, 2.
And spawning.
Kissing.
Boing.
I'm just trying to get it out. I'm gonna go and what's that now? Right.
Okay, reset. Reset.
Where are you?
I'm at the spawn.
I'm still there. I'm either. This is such a sick game, but come
Yeah, I know, right? I told you. Guys, check out this game.
This is a good game. Are you at spawn? Hey, hello.
Yeah, hello. Hello. Wait, let me do an emote. Let me do an emote.
Look at that, look at that.
Crap, you can't do emotes.
Look,
Wait.
Look at me, look at me.
Yeah, cool. Wait.
Look,
Slash
I just
E.
shut up, I just launched up.
I'm the Spidey. I'm dancing Spider-Man. Slash E dance 2 bop. I'm doing slash E dance 2. What about the epic one, /E?
Dance 3. Oh no.
No, dance 7. That's the epic one. Oh, you can't use that one. Ah. Okay, well, see ya, Spidey.
We're both Spideys, remember? Alright,
Yeah, I know.
see ya. Yay.
Whoa, why didn't my thing work?
Okay, this just reminds me so badly of Spider-Man. Like, it's like you're Spider-Man. Like,
Yeah, that's why it's called Be Spider-Man, Beach.
see it, kids? I don't like the wall climbing bits, like, it's in costumes. Venom.
I want to climb this wall, Beach.
It's Venom. How do I become Venom? Yes, it's spider suit. Oh,
I literally, oh my god. Oh, there we go.
What?
I'm climbing up a wall. Look at this. He's kissing the wall.
I know.
He's climbing up the wall using his big lips. Ola. Yo.
This game was like a really bad game before. It's really good.
Yeah, after all this time, I finally found it. No matter what you say, you're still gay.
There's a girl in Spider-Man costume.
That's gay. No matter what you say, you're still gay.
What's left to fuck, like,
No, no swearing on your own channel.
we have an addiction for cock tape. That's right, YouTube. This is a kid friendly channel. Why would someone say we said that? No matter what you say.
You're still gay. No matter what you say, you're still gay.
Alright, see you there, kid. Yay!
We're both kids though.
No, like, I'm talking to Miles. Oh, okay, I just looked myself off the map.
And I'm climbing a wall with my big lips. Big lips.
Dun, 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 dun. I love this game so much.
Yeah, it's literally the best. Every day I'd play this. As soon as I went on Roblox, I'd play this.
Now we're gonna play this. Now.
We're literally just gonna non-stop playing this. So I thought, hey, why don't I start playing something else then?
I mean, this. Spider-Man.
Bro, look at this. Look how epic this is. Like an epic swing scene.
Tomorrow, Leif, we'll do
And
a
then
bit of
you
reading
jump
together.
off.
Tomorrow,
Da-da.
we'll do a bit of reading. Have you been doing any reading at home?
Yeah, a bit.
Dun, 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 dun,
What's that here? So I haven't been able to do it.
dun, 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 dun. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leif, do your outro. Leif, do your outro. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, Leif fans, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Tomorrow, when we get a minute, yeah, we'll sit down.
Like and subscribe.
Talk it up.